Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to turn off stop if you are getting any email from your Twitter on your Android device. So for this guys, just you need to open your Twitter app on your device. After opening, on the top left side corner you can get your profile picture. Just tap on it. From here you want to open settings and privacy, and here in the settings and privacy tap on notifications, and at the end you can get the option email notification. So if you want to disable any particular email notification, you can also disable that particular email notification. So guys, I don't want to get any email notification from Twitter. So for this guys, you need to disable email notification. That's it. This all option was not disabled, as you can see. So this is a very easy and very simple method to disable email notification on your Twitter. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.